Okay, who's ready for the Happy Planner Spring release? I know I am, and they sent me a giant box of goodies, so I'm very excited to unbox this. I actually opened it and peeked, but I did not take anything out or look at anything in detail, so I'm so excited to do that with you today. The release is going to be on Monday, April 14th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and I will put my link in the description box. Always love it when you use my links. It is so much appreciated. My affiliate link did change recently. Make sure you use the new link and not the old link, so check the description box to make sure you have the right link. There's a lot of stuff in here. Right away I see this beauty. Let's pull this out. I'm gonna take the box off my desk because I can't possibly do this, you know, with the box here, so hang on. This unboxing video will get too long if I flip through everything in this video, so there's going to be separate videos for that. But if something's quick to show you like this, I'll just show it to you in this video. So this is a dotted line journal. I just love the cover so much. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it's called Feathered Flora. I just really love the pink and red together. I think it's cute. Ooh, look at this. I love this pink, you guys. This pink is really pretty. And it's a dotted line journal, which is nice because most of the journals I have are dot grid, and I do appreciate lined ones for journaling and writing different things. And then I thought there was going to be a pocket in the back. There is not a pocket in the back, but that is a-okay with me because I don't usually use the pockets anyway. But I think this is just so cute. I really like this. I just grabbed some stickers and we're going to check it out. So the first thing I want to mention is pretty obvious. If you guys have been using Happy Planner for a while, you will probably realize that the packaging is different. It looks different. So what they did was take away the front cover and show you the stickers through here. So we have like a plastic cover like this that's see-through. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I guess only time will tell. I wonder if it's going to sit well in my sticker storage boxes with my other sticker books, but I think it will because it's like a thin profile. So again, only time will tell if I like this or not. We'll just see how it goes. It is a change, I know. I've been using Happy Planner since 2018 and I'm not used to it. But I kind of like how you can see the stickers on the outside because you can kind of get a feel for the sticker book just by looking at the front. And sometimes with the old packaging, you really couldn't. So we'll see how this goes and we'll see if I like it. All right. Oh, I'm not doing flip throughs. What am I doing? All right, we're just going to do like a quick flippity flip of each of these. So this is Soft Pop, and I'll do a separate, you know, flip through that's more detailed. It's really pretty colors here. Kind of jazzy. And then we have Cafe Core. Ooh. I'm a coffee girl, so ooh, the color palette is really pretty too. Ooh, this looks really cute. I like that a lot. I mean, I know I'm gonna like it. I haven't really looked at it yet, but I know I'm gonna like it. This one is Color Coordinate. So this is gonna be like their other one like this where you just got a whole bunch of different colors. These ones, most of the time, I think, take stickers from other books in the release and kind of put it all into one. So if you're someone who doesn't want to buy a lot of sticker books, this will give you a taste of everything. This one is called Optimistic Brights, and if you know me, I like some bright colors in my planner a lot of the time, so this looks fun. I haven't really seen any arched boxes, you guys. I don't know. I might be wrong about that. We are going to see how it goes when I do flip throughs, but you know I'm not crazy about those. This one's called In the Moment. Okay, this one definitely has arched boxes. Never mind. Happy Planner. Ooh, cute florals though, and birds. This sticker book I was excited about. It is called Shell Yeah, and it's seashell themed, which is so fun and really fun for summer. Like ocean theme. I love this already, I can tell. Ooh, look at those shell boxes. Did you see that? So fun. Uh-oh, I feel like we're gonna have a cat and dog fight any moment. They're starting to brawl. It's not a fight, they play, but do you hear all the tippy tappies? Yeah. More stickers. Bumble, Almond doesn't want to play with you. Bumble is trying so hard. She's doing like the play bow with Almond, and Almond wants none of it. All right, here we have Bloom and Grow. Ooh, these colors are so pretty. Very pretty, like spring, summer vibe here. Ooh, look at those. Ah, okay, I'm not gonna take the time. That looks really pretty though. This one's called Mod Sketches, a more neutral book. I like those sketchy flowers. I took Bumble on a long walk before this, and you wouldn't know it because she's doing her thing. She's doing her thing. We got the Bumbles. I said that weird. Mystic Blooms. Oh gosh, look at those moths. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. So fun. And this one is called Parenting. So if you're a parent, you will appreciate this. Oh, those flowers look really pretty. I think that's probably it for the sticker books. Let's take a look at the planners I got now. And by the way, just so you know, there are going to be other flip throughs from other people on YouTube who received boxes, and there are definitely more products than I received. So check out all of their flip throughs as well so that you can see the products that I don't have, because I just have a little portion of the spring release. There's much more out there. And also you can go on the Happy Planner website right now and check out the preview of everything. And if you like this kind of content, any kind of hauls or reviews or anything like that, I do get product early some of the time, and I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. All right. We have two classic planners here. This one is the 𝘱𝘂𝘴𝘢𝘴 planner. It is a classic checklist layout. And we'll go through, I'm not going to show it to you now, but we're going to do separate flip throughs, like I said, of each of the planners that I got. And then we have Pastel Canvas, which is a parenting layout. So that is a new layout. I love this cover. That's a new layout. Can't wait to see what that's about. This one is gorgeous. It is called Cafe Court, and it is a premium vegan leather cover. I love it. You've got a deluxe cover right on there. Perfect. I can't wait to check that out. That looks like a little pocket. How cute is that? This is the Blocky Blooms Classic Notebook, and it's eco-friendly. And I'll just show this to you because I don't think I'm going to do a flip through of this. So we have this like plastic see-through cover. It is so pretty. I love that. The pink discs. And then, it looks like it's different than what they usually do. You see that? I guess it's different because, you know, we usually have a solid cover and not a see-through cover. So they have to put that page behind it. It says, consciously designed with the environment in mind, this product is purposefully composed of soy-based ink, plastic covers, and discs made from 100% recycled material and responsibly sourced FSC mixed paper, whatever that is. Turn the page for creative upcycle ideas. Oh, there's the creative upcycle ideas. Small change, big impact. It is dotted lined. And you get a whole bunch of pages. And then we have this in the back, very cute. And the back cover looks like this. I just collect a lot of these Happy Planner notebooks. I like having them just to grab when I need paper. I usually use these for random purposes when I need paper, but once in a while, I'll pick one and I'll dedicate it to a certain thing I need to track, or lists of a certain kind or something like that. I have 2 more planners here. This one is called Positive Year. And if you know me, I love pets. And when they're not being a nuisance, because I hear Bumble in the background getting into something. I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, this is a classic vertical layout. It's a collaboration with Christine Mast. And look how cute. Look at them. Ah, they're so cute. And the purple, so cute. Ah, look at the poodles. I love it. So we are going to get into that in another video. And then the last thing I got is this classic dashboard planner. It's a collaboration with Melanie, and I cannot say her last name. Mike's. I don't know. I really should have looked that up before I filmed. Anyway, she's an artist. It's a collaboration with her, and I believe it's called Radiant Spectrum, but I'm not 100% sure. But look at this cute cover. I think this is so cute. And look, they're stickers, so I can't wait to dive into that when I do the flip through. All right, so that is everything I received from Happy Planner. Thank you, Happy Planner, for sending me these really cute products. And don't forget, the spring release is April 14th, which is Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 p.m. Eastern time for me. And let me know in the comments what you're most excited about in this release. All of the flip throughs are up right now in separate videos, so you can check those out. I'm also going to try to film at least one plan with me with the new products before the release to give you guys some ideas. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.